How to fix if Bluetooth headphones are connected but there is no sound. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings, then go to Devices. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Bluetooth and other devices. Then select the headphones. And then press on Remove Device and then press on Yes. After you do that, simply click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on the first option, which is the Bluetooth. In here, you'll find the same headphones in here. Click on it and then connect it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Bluetooth headphones connected but no sound. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.